we do put composite decking on treated wooden joists. That is the standard way we build all of our decks. Other options other than wooden joists, which is standard for, I think, all builders out there. Every decking builder I know of, they'll use wooden joists and composite decking on top of the wooden joists. Other products for the joists you can have, there are metal joists that go underneath. I've seen a few products out there that are like composite joists, but not in our market so much. And it's prohibitively expensive because it's a lot of composite material. But I have done some metal decks that are metal joists. But as your question asked, we can put composite decking on top of wooden joists because that's actually the standard installation.